Welcome to Lenaka training series. In this video I'll show you how to create a revision on Symbility step by step. This applies to both OMI, which is Old Mutual Insurance, and Digicall claims. Let's begin. So the first step is you need to open Symbility, or the new app's name is called Estimate. So we'll be logging in over there. So as you can see, here is basically all the claims. So we're going to do a revision for the specific customer. So you click on that, you'll see it's busy synchronizing. So we just need to wait until it's done synchronizing. So once that's done, it will open the claim. So as you can see, it's busy downloading the claim. So for this specific customer, you can see, we'll open this claim over here. So basically this is where you navigate the claim. We'll go through to estimates, click on building contractors, we'll open up this estimate, and then at the top here, we'll click on create revision. Are you sure you want to create a revision? Yes, we are sure. Then we'll go to diagrams. We'll open the floor plan of the top floor. Initially, what we want to do for this customer is we need to add additional rubble removal, as the costing they provided and the costing we have are quite different. So I'm just searching there for rubble. So as you can see, they added a skip over here, and what we need to do here is we need to change this over here to 2. So we'll change that, and then on the floor plan where the bedrooms are, there was an additional skirting that we had to replace, and there was some tiling that had to be changed. So I'm just checking where the skirting is so that we can make that adjustment. So in bedroom 1, the door is being replaced. So that's bedroom 1 where the door is being changed. So we'll add search for the word skirting over there. So over there is that section of skirting over here that needs to be replaced. So it's not going to allow us to do a revision now. We first need to make a copy of the floor plan, which we've done now. We'll just add that to this bedroom. Well, now it says 3.13 meters, and we need to change that to 2.8 meters. So I just want to have a look here and see that it pulled through. So there, it only allowed for that skirting. Then what we need to do as well, we need to do a revision for the painting of the skirtings, as this was not added. So skirtings again, painting of skirtings. So we're painting all of these skirtings in these areas, which needs to be added. And then in the same bedroom there is tiles that we had to replace. So I'm just looking for the photos of the tiles. So there's flooring, general, or I'll just search for tiling. Under tiling, labor to lay floor tiles. So that's 1 square meter. Glue and grout. That's 1 square meter. Prepare surface to lay tiles. That's 1 square meter. Right for ceramic and slate tiles. These they only sell in a box of 2 square meters. So that has been added. And then we've got general items per unit. That is for vent bricks that need to be installed. Supply and installation of vent bricks. That's 2 of them. So we'll just find the price on the vent bricks. So they are 10 rand at Builders. We added the items for the vent bricks. And then we'll have to upload the photos as evidence for the additional damage that was on site. We'll add a file folder here. So we've got our photo folder over here now. We'll go to our downloads and we'll add these 2 photos, and we'll add a description as well. Damage to skirtings, and here damage floor tiles. That's just for the insurance to see exactly what the additionals are. And then once that's done, you'll scroll to the top over here and we'll change that to ready for review. Save and upload. So that's complete. Then you go back to claims. and then the revision has been completed. As you can see here, Carol Lee Horn, claim in progress, estimate is ready for review. And that is the end of how to do a revision.